Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my birthday orchids. So my birthday was, I can't say this month anymore, I can't say last month, but 2 months ago. It was too cold then to order orchids. So right around Mother's Day it got warm enough and I put in some orders for orchids and they just didn't come for a while. And they all arrived today. So I'm gonna do 3 separate videos of these orchids. And the second unboxing that I'm going to do today is exotic orchids of Maui. Thing with exotic orchids of Maui is that if you're going to order from him, normally he's wholesale, and if you're not wholesale, there's a minimum order of $100. So this was really because he's one of the few people that seems to have Richard Mueller seedlings, and I'm sure you see them being resold by people who on eBay and such, but I like to buy directly from him, and this was a Richard Mueller purchase. But then of course there's a bunch of extra seedlings here just so I could get to $100 and get the Richard Muellers. And I've got to figure out where all the tape goes. Oh, there's more tape. Everything is very well taped. He's in an actual standard flower box. So I got this for the, let's see, Brazilian Fire. I got 4 of them. I can actually, there's more tape inside. Then the rest of this was me trying to get to 100. And I have a lot of exotic orchids of Maui stuff that's like that, where I ordered extras. I thought it'd be kind of interesting. Also, I wanted the Richard Mueller crosses, but I had to get over $100. And definitely this summer, I'm going to be culling some of them. Some of them haven't made it, for sure. Sadly, but true. Oh, good Lord. There's a whole bunch of, well, it's all packed. There's a lot of fluffy stuff. Shredded newspaper here. All right. So the exotic orchids of Maui stuff looks like this packed inside, right? I guess it would probably be more compact if I ordered more orchids, but you know, I was just trying to get to 100. And they're all taped. They're all little bags, and they're all taped together. So if you can see this, so they're all taped. Ah! So see, they're all individually wrapped like this. So this is Maui Freckles, cross to Jungle Eyes. And this is, this is the Chisis langleensis cross to Lamingii, which is Chisis Maritza Bialeki. I can kind of grow Chisis. I can grow Chisis bractensis. The other one that's still working. This is Harrisonii crossed to Aclandiae. And I am blanking on what that actually is called. I believe there's a cross name for it. It's of that primary hybrid. I'm going to have to it's pink with pink spots. I know what color it is, and I just cannot, for the life of me, right now, remember the name. I will include a photo. Then here are all the Richard Muller's Cross of Brazilian Jewels. There's 4 of them. Oh goodness. Okay, this one's not. This is my freebie, my bonus. What did I get as a bonus? I got Little Dipper across the Jungiana var alba. Ooh, Jungiana. Jungiana has a gigantic flower for the size of the plant. This is my Richard Muller's that I did this whole thing for right here. Can't get them attached from the box. Okay, so his stuff would do really well on a resale if you're going to a show. All individually wrapped. And oh, I only got 1 of this? I thought I ordered 2 of everything. Okay, maybe there's only 1 of these available. This is, oh, Richard Muller cross to Key Lime Stars. I did order this last year, I think, from High Desert Orchids before she closed, but it's small, and I was like, and I was pretty sure at the time I had seen that on the Exotic Orchids of Maui website, but there was nothing else that I wanted at the time, so I didn't get any additional ones. And then this is, let's see, I have a Brassavola Digbiana, an Eclandier, a bunch. I've ordered, the Eclandiers come and they are really, really small. They're tiny. And I've ordered other Eclandiers from him and they just don't make it through the winter. And then this is an Eclandier cross to Akimi Hanada. So a bunch of Eclandier crosses to try out because I love Eclandier, second to Richard Muller. And that is my Exotic Orchids of Maui order.